Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are doing our Tiny Tuesdays. I have $20 here today for our Tiny Tot Tuesdays, and I have my cute little roller teapot, that Autumn gave me. So excited to use it again. This is my second time using it. All right, so let's get into it. Number 3. Number 3 again. Oops. Number 4. Number 6. Number 6 again. Number 1. All right. So I hope y'all are having a great week. And happy April. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have so much to tell y'all. Just kidding. I really don't. I don't know why I said that. I mean, I'm thinking about something, but I kind of need to keep it under wraps until I actually figure it out. But I'm working on something. And I'm excited about it, and I hope you all will be too. But I don't know if I can tell y'all yet, because I'm still, I don't want to count my chickens before they hatch, type of thing. But anyways, I am excited that it's April. I'm going to be working on making all the challenges that I'm going to be sending out for my memberships on Ko-fi for the month of May. So if you are a member, you should be getting your packet in the mail. If you signed up for the Sketchers or the Doodlers Club, you should be getting that probably like around the middle of the month, maybe slightly after it. And I hope that you all have been enjoying the stuff for April so far. Okay, so this challenge is by What's Poppin' Sunshine. We had a $1 left over from last time, so we have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5 here. So we're gonna have $1 left over again, and color in these hearts here. Yeah, so basically I've been working on getting like a box of goods curated for y'all. And it would be not like a subscription box necessarily, because you wouldn't have to sign up for it like on a monthly basis. But if you were interested in getting it for that month, you could. And I would just like list it on my Ko-fi or whatever. Wait, did I just color in 6, 2, 4, 6? I'm dumb, y'all. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna grab $1 that I have from my stash over here, and we're gonna say that we finish this one. We should have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Guys, I got so distracted. Oh my goodness, I was just chatting away, and I didn't even realize that I was counting wrong. Okay, so we have, what did I say, 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, let me focus. Let me stop getting myself distracted. Okay, it is April 1st. All right, so our first challenge completed for the month of April. So exciting. Oops. All right, so that will go into our finished challenges bag. Next, we have this little space bunny here. Each of these spaceships is $2, and we are adding 1, 2, and 3. So 2, You can color in one. And then we're going to leave one of these dollars out. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 so far. All right, so guys, I do want to tell you, Aria has a little budget binder now. I'll show you at the end of this video. And so I got it for her birthday. And we printed out some challenges and I put scratch off stickers on them for her. And so she is so excited. She says that she's now a part of the secret club. And she says it in a whisper. She's like, I'm in the secret club. And she's so excited to be a part of the budgeting community, guys. I love it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So each one of these is $2. So we can finish this one out. So yeah, she is very excited to be a part of the club. So we are going to be not recording that video like too often because I'm not putting a ton of money towards it. But once we have like a decent amount in there, we'll do a cash stuffing with her where she can do her own little budgeting binder video. I love that she calls it a show too. She's like, welcome to the Doodle Dollars show. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, she cracks me up. All right, so I'll show you guys her binder at the end, but oh, I didn't even tell you who this is by. This one is by Madeline Budgets. Okay, this one is by Overthinking and Budgeting, and we have $2 here that we're going to be adding. We can cross out one of these guys. Yay. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. All right. Our next challenge is one of mine. This is a little carrot, Groovy carrot for Easter. So we have $2 that we're adding to this one. This one is not a freebie, but you can get it in my Ko-fi shop. If you are a member, it's free. And if not, you can pay $2 and you can get it. So 5, 6, 7 that we have saved with that one so far. And this last one, guys, is a new one. This is by Budget with Amanda. And y'all, I have seen her and I have subscribed to her, but I have been sleeping on her Ko-fi shop, guys. I don't know why. I didn't even click on it, but I finally did. So I have some of her little freebies now. So we're going to do this one by her. We have $1, $2, $3 to add here. We're going to color in these little bunnies. 1, 2, and 3. I love it. So cute. Thank you, Amanda, for this cute challenge. And I will start using your freebies more because now that I know you, now that I'm actually following your shop. All right. So we have these challenges still, guys. We completed 2 challenges today, and that is it for our Tiny Tot Tuesday. But let me show you, if you guys want to stick around, I will show you Aria's budgeting binder that she got that she is so excited about. So I bought this for her in the mail, on Amazon, in the mail. What am I saying? On Amazon. And these are her funds that she got. I gave her like $5 this week, and this was left over from my wallet from her section. So we have, of course, the challenges that Vicky gave us. So Aria's Search and Save and her Color and Save from Vicky Thinks. We have her Rainbow Roll and Save from Vicky Thinks as well, her scratch off. And then we have new challenges here. She put them in backwards. That's okay. This one is by What's Poppin' Sunshine. This is a digital download, but I added the scratch off stickers myself. So we have, I think, 4 of those. We have Angela Marie's group play, her Happy Easter group play. So I added scratch off stickers to that because Aria just loves the scratch off, guys. She just loves scratching off stickers. We have this one by What's Poppin' Sunshine, Little Figs. And I also added scratch offs to that. Then we have this one by Vicky Thinks, We have just a little mini savings challenge here, and I think this next one is also from that same set. This one is from that same set by Vicky Thinks. I just thought those ones would be so cute for her binder. Then we have this one, Happy Spring by Teacher Mom Budgets. Thought that one would be a cute one for her to do. She's probably not going to make it through all of these like very fast. Then we have this one by What's Poppin' Sunshine and this last one by What's Poppin' Sunshine, this pear one. So very cute. She's so excited for her binder, guys. So anyways, it's so cute. I love it. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me a teapot emoji. Do they have a teapot emoji? I don't even know. But leave me a teapot emoji if you can find it, or a cup of tea, to let me know that you stayed till the end. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.